Like a column chart, you can draw line chart if your data consists of values. You can add more than one data series in line chart. To insert line chart, first select all data. Click this cell. In Insert tab, Charts group. Click Insert Line or Area Chart arrow button. 2D line chart has 5 types. I select line chart. Press mouse and drag at this position. Views, like, dislike, and comment are called series. Month names are called categories. When chart is inserted, two tabs, Design and Format tabs are automatically activated. In Design tab, Data group. Click Select Data button. Your selected data is highlighted. When selected data source dialog box is opened. In Series box, you can add or remove series. Select Like series, click Remove button. Select Dislike series, click Remove button. Select Comment series, click Remove button. Click OK. You can see line chart shows only View series. To add more series, click again, select Data button. Click Add button. The Edit Series dialog box opens. In Series Name box, type series name. Click this cell reference. In Series Values box, select the series values. Click Cell Reference Range. Click OK. Like series is added in line chart. Now click Chart Elements button. Click Grid Lines arrow button. Check Primary Major Vertical button. Now click Plot Area Shade. In Format tab, Shape Styles group. Click Shape Fill arrow button. By using this option, you can change the background color of sheet. I select that color. Now active Chart Area Sheet. Again click Shape Fill arrow button. I select this color. In this way, you can add and format line chart in an Excel worksheet.